how to fix not feature not showing or not working on Instagram app. So all what you have to do guys is very simple. Just keep watching until the end. First step you want to do is open the settings on your phone and then go to the apps manager. Open the apps here on this page. It will start loading the apps that you have downloaded on your phone. So all what you have to do is wait a few seconds, scroll until you find Instagram and click on it. Now click here on the force stop to stop running the app and then go to the permissions, and now go to the permissions and enable all the permissions right here. Make sure that all the permissions from here are enabled. And that's it guys. Now go back and open the Play Store or the App Store if you have iOS and update your Instagram. If it's not working yet, then you have to uninstall it and install it again. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.